Hey, what's going on, y'all? Today I'm gonna be making a video changing out my rack and pinion. I already a rack and pinion on a 2009 Honda Element SC. This is the new daily, so I want to make sure she's all good. I already power washed it, so it was like not too messy because it was so greasy down here. But it should be pretty straightforward. I have to remove these 2 bolts. On the other side is also 2 bolts. I already have my replacement. I'm hoping that one's in good condition. It was used. So I will update you guys on the next video when we get her out. I'm having a lot of shaking, and my steering wheel feels like so tight. So I'm gonna replace the power steering. I'm gonna replace the rack and pinion, and then I might replace the power steering pump also, but we'll see. All right, guys, we'll update you when we have the rack off. Peace. Yo, what's going on, y'all? This is, I guess, the part 2 and a little update of the rack and pinion. This is the new rack and pinion inside. I just got it fully dialed in yesterday, and now I need to replace my axle. So I guess I'll show you guys. Show you guys the whole rack so you can see it clear. No more leaks. Yeah, she's in. Super. It was fairly easy, just 4 bolts. So now I'm changing the axle. Still have a little bit of vibration, and I know this is the culprit. So, I mean, it is an OEM axle, but it's fine. Switch it out. I think I have another OEM one. Here's some more of the grease splatter everywhere. So I just want to get a video real quick before I do change it, so you guys can see a little bit of the before and after. And we still have, I power washed the bottom to get some of the power steering fluid that was just all over the frame, but it still looks like we're a little wet. We'll get to that. All right. We'll update you guys when we get the old axle out. Peace.